Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Rich Luck Insider. Today we're gonna talk about Tesla stock. Everybody has been asking for it, and is Tesla stock a good buy now? And my Tesla stock prediction. So let's get to it. If this is your first time to Rich Luck Insider, welcome. We talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make more money in life. So if you want to get more money, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so that you do not miss any of our videos. And at the end of the videos, as appreciation, I'm gonna give you free stocks and audiobooks. Okay, today's topic is why is Tesla stock up, and what will happen to Tesla stock on December 21st, 2020, and what company could Tesla replace, and where I think Tesla stock is headed now. If there's any other stock you would like me to talk about, make sure you comment below. And as a bonus, I'm gonna give you my Tesla stock price target, what I think is going to be, and my prediction, and also what I may do. So Tesla stock has been going up like crazy. It was only 408 on Monday on November 16, but it jumped to 499 on November 19, so 22.34%, and within 2 days. That's really crazy. So why? It's because S&P 500 had announced that it's gonna include Tesla stock to the benchmark index started on Monday, December 21st. Everybody has been waiting for this moment for Tesla stock to be inside the S&P 500. So why is S&P 500 so important? So S&P 500 is a 500 companies that are listed on US stock exchange, and some of the passive index funds, they need to buy as every single company that is in S&P 500. So if the Tesla stock is going to be in S&P 500, they have to buy Tesla stock no matter what. So there are a lot of funds, investment funds, and passive index funds. They don't have the Tesla stock. So everybody's gonna be buying. That's gonna be pretty crazy. So that's why the stock has been going up recently. Elon Musk, because of that, Elon Musk wealth also shoot us by more than 15 billion. 15 billion. So he is becoming the world's third richest person, overtaking Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg. So it's a big deal. S&P 500 includes it is a big deal. It's changing fortunes for Elon Musk. He's becoming the richest person, and his company is set to join other valuable companies like Apple, Amazon, and Berkshire Hathaway in the index. So his overall 90 billion gain this year has been the highest among the entire list of 500 billionaire. 500 billionaire. That's a pretty big deal to me. So what are the requirements to be inside S&P 500? The company has to be at least 8.2 billion, and it has to be highly liquid and have at least half of their shares available to the public, like you and me. And it also has to be profitable in the last 4 successive profitable quarters. So S&P Global did not mention which companies Tesla gonna be replacing, but let me guess. So I think it's gonna be either energy or industry companies that are at the bottom of the list. These companies are not doing well in terms of stock price this year. So Devil Energies, National Oil, Vogel, Apache, Marathon Oil, Holy Frontier, Technip FNC, Flowserve, Xerox, and Insure Unip, and Ascent Green Realty. So let's see which one of these gonna be getting replaced. So is that the only reason why Tesla stock is going up? No, there is another reason. Morgan Stanley upgraded Tesla the first time in years since the company put a buy rating on the stock, sending the share prices up. Tesla, like I said before, if you have followed my channel for some time, Tesla is not a car company; it's a technology company. So these guys also starting to see this. Tesla is on the verge of proof model shift from selling cars to generate high margin recurring software service and revenue. When you buy a Tesla car, there are software that you can do upgrade. Hey, if you want to make it faster, you can do that. If you want to include the autonomous driving capabilities, you can do that for the extra fees. 7,000, 10,000, whatever it is. That's a big deal. And you can possibly buy app in the Tesla car software network. So not just an Apple Store, you buy the apps and you might be paying every month. That's pretty big deal. If you have so many customers, 139, 300 vehicles. Tesla sold this number of vehicles this year. So if they keep selling it like 500,000 cars or 1 million every year, just think about it, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million. Even if they get extra $10 a month from these car owners, just imagine how much more going to be for every year. Just $10, 1 million will be 10 millions, 10 millions extra every month. Every month. That's a pretty big deal. So, and another good news is that California makes Tesla as an essential workers. So basically, if there's any lockdown at all, the Tesla does not need to close their factory. Right now, the issue Tesla is having is that they cannot meet the demand. The other car companies or automobile companies are suffering because consumers do not buy their cars. But Tesla, they cannot supply enough, so that's their issue. So which is good. They don't need to close the factory because it used to be a big issue. Elon Musk has cash with the California since the pandemic happened. So yeah, so basically this is good news. If there's another shutdown, Tesla does not need to shut down the factory, so they can keep making cars and selling cars. And my Tesla stock predictions, like I said before, it could become 1 trillion technology company by 2030. The list is the same. In the previous videos, I said Tesla have to start making profits. And now they already started making profits, and now they are already going to be included in S&P 500. And another thing I like to see it becoming a market leader around the world. Everybody Tesla becomes a household name, just like Apple, and not only in US but also in China and Europe market as well. That's going to be the and solar energy trends. California new construction houses are now required to have the solar panel. So which is a really good thing. Tesla makes solar panels. So this is a trend that Tailwinds supported Tesla, and also the battery. Tesla has been able to improve on the battery life, and also the bring down the cost. So this is good things. And software service, this is very very important. And this is going to be big. And also inflation. Let's say you are millionaires, you have so much cash. Where will you put your money? Either stock markets, or real estate market, or your own company. If you put in the stock market, there are not so many great companies in the market, but Tesla is a great company, so they're gonna put money in the Tesla stock. So inflation is gonna help. Inflation helps the stock market, and also I just added this one: the governments around the world is gonna be supporting EV industry, electric vehicle industry. And Tesla sold 365,500 cars in 2019. They are on track to sell more than 400,000, possibly 500,000 more. So the government tailwinds electric vehicle interest surges 500% in UK on news of 2030 fossil fuel car ban. So look at it. So the UK said, from 2030 you cannot sell gas or diesel car at all. So where do consumers buy? They need to buy electric vehicles. Who is the first mover advantage? Tesla. So this is gonna be really good. Is that only UK? No, California also is banning gas cars. In by 2035. So once the state does it, the other states could follow. And also China plans to ban gas car by 2035, but not every car, 50%. They said 50% of the car sales have to be electric vehicle. or hybrid, and not just totally gas car. So this is really cool news. And also look at Canada too. Quebec's goal to ban gasoline cars latest move to hasten oil's decline. So it's oil's decline, so it's good for electric vehicles like Tesla. So all look at the Belgium. Not only that, government around the world. Look at that. Ireland 2030, France 2040, they're gonna phase out all new sales of the internal combustion engine. Once the consumer see that new car sales get it banned, new for oil gas cars, they're not gonna buy gas car because they know that their old cars may not hold the value when they want to resell it back. So what they are gonna do, they're gonna buy new electric car even before 2030. So let's say Ireland, 2030, or Irish people may start to buy electric car in 2025 because they don't want their car value to drop. And Canada 2040, yeah, people could start buying electric car in 2035, 2035, 35, and also British Columbia 2035 too. So California 2035, maybe a lot of people start buying Tesla in 2030. So if you look at it, a lot of the countries are 2030, 2030. So it's within 10 years frame that I projected. So that could accelerate the sales of the Tesla car. Of course, third world countries, they're gonna need uh, ICE car, internal combustion engine, that relies on the gas and diesel. So, and not only that, the new administration is very supportive of deploying 500,000 charging stations by 2030. So if you want to buy a Tesla car, but if you don't have a charging station within 10 miles or 20 miles of where you live, will you buy it? No. So this is really good tailwind supporting Tesla car sale. So once this happening, I could see Tesla car sale shoot up in US like crazy. So this is good. All the trends are supporting higher growth for the Tesla stock. So my Tesla stock prediction, I think Tesla could hit and stay above 500 in December 2020 and January 2021 and next year, because next year we're gonna see all the new administration support for the climate change, support for the renewable energy, electric vehicles coming. So yeah, so that's my prediction. I still hold my price target $900 by 2030. If you watch my previous video, I said 4,500. That was before the spread. So you just divide 4,500 by 5, you're gonna get 900. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, but I believe it's gonna happen. You don't have to follow me and believe me. This is not an investment advice to buy this stock or investment have risk. You can make a lot of money or lose all your money. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Do your own independent research, and only you are responsible for your losses. So that I believe that's not gonna easily hit $900 if they execute the business tremendously. If getting more deliveries, making better cars, reducing the battery cost, that's gonna be very, really, really exciting to see. So what I may do, I got Tesla in 3 portfolios. I bought it here, I bought it again, I bought it at 421 again, all making profits. If you ask me, would I rather sell these stocks or buy new ones at $500? I would rather buy at $500. So that's how much I believe in Tesla. The future is a Tesla. Tesla has a future. So yeah, right now I will stay hold. I might buy a few more in the coming week. And with the S&P 500 inclusions, a lot of the fund managers, they have to buy Tesla stock. So I could see the Tesla going up above $500. So there are useful links in the description. So if you want to get free stock, Weibo is having a promotion. You can possibly get 4 stocks. So you click on it. Go to any of my videos and click on the description. You can get free stock. If you have only $1 you want to buy Tesla, you can do that. You just need to open an account on M1 Finance. As appreciation, you're gonna get $10 if you click on my link. and you can get free stock from Robinhood as well. And if you want to read more books, audiobooks, free audiobooks in here as well. And if you want to become a real estate agent, to get a license, you can click on this link. And if you want to have new credit cards to help you financially during these difficult times, you click on it. Their promotion should have 12 months to 14 months of interest-free charge. You just need to pay a minimum payment of $35 or whatever it is. Just click on it, just check, then open an account. I like this. I use these, so that's why I put it right here. And I use $15 a month mobile plan. If you are paying more than $15 a month, you are paying too much. So click on it, this one. On this one, so you could get $15 a month promotions as well. Yeah, so just look at it. There are a lot of resources to help you with, and you can get this cashback when you shop online. Open an account to get $10. There are a lot of things, a lot of discount for you as appreciation for watching my video until the end. So if you have any question, comment in the description below, and you can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. If you are here now, comment your city and state and country so that I know you watch until the end. I really appreciate you. If is there any videos you would like me to make, comment below, subscribe YouTube, and like See First Facebook, and follow Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.